What's up guys, JKey Vlogs is back, and today I'm going to be telling you how to stream on YouTube with OBS. Before we begin, smash the like button and subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss out on daily content. Now, I'm not going to be doing the bare basics of OBS, but I'm assuming right now that you would know that you've got your screen shown up and everything's running like this. And you literally, all you need to do is make it so it goes onto YouTube. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is you need to go into settings. And then you need to go onto stream. So you need to, and you see here, there is the stream key. And that's going to be very important in the next few minutes. And you need to go onto YouTube, and you open up YouTube. And as long as your channel is eligible to live stream, you press the create button and go live. You then press, or it doesn't really matter, you can press refuse settings or dismiss. I'm going to use dismiss and make myself a new one, so just how to stream. This doesn't really matter because you can make this whatever you want. You can put it for schedule for later, upload custom thumbnail, or whatever. Doesn't matter. So once this loads, the stream key is right here. So you need to press this button right here, the I. And it says stream key, brackets, paste in the encoder. And what you need to do is you need to press the copy button. Now it's successfully copied to clipboard. You then need to go back to OBS and see where it says stream key here. You need to go that, delete it, and then Control V and put that stream key in there. And now if you press apply, that is all good. So now if you press start streaming, it takes a few seconds for the YouTube servers to get your request. Excellent connection, so it knows that you've begun streaming. And it is now loading up right now. So obviously because I am recording, it will take a bit longer, and there you are. So that is now your screen preview. So as soon as you press go live, obviously I'm not going to do that because this isn't a legit stream, but basically, yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. So if you want to go live straight away, you press go live, and that is exactly what your audience will see straight off the bat. So, like I said before, this is literally just how to get your content to be able to stream. So this is all assuming that you have already got everything set up. However, if you don't know how to do that, and you don't know the bare basics of it, please tell me in the comments below and I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up that as well. I am on the road to 200 subscribers, so a sub would be greatly appreciated. Not only that, but if you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, please feel free to like the video, as it helps it do well on the algorithm. And that's it. That's all from me. You've been watching JKey Vlogs, and until next time, goodbye.